Welcome to Dipansh Video Time. Do you want to know how you can make your own player shoot on Scratch? Well, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own player shoot in Scratch. So, let's get started. So first you will need your player and then your gun. I just made a simple player over here, as you can see. Then you'll need your laser, so I can make this laser go to the center. And yeah, now just wait a second. Make sure that the player is in the center, okay? Or else it scripts. It's moving or it's turning, so it's basically the turning script won't work, okay? So let's continue. So we have our player ready. Let's start coding. Let's add a when green flag click. Then I want to go to the x of 0 and a y of 0. You may pause the video if you want. Then I want to go to a forever point towards. So let's point towards mouse pointer. And yeah, it works. Okay, so after that, we will want to move our sprite. So let's add an if 10 times. So if actually 4 times. So we need 4 if for the movement script, right? So let's put the up arrow, the down arrow, the right arrow, and the left arrow. I will then, for the up arrow, change y by 5. For the down arrow, change y by -5. For the change x by, for the right arrow, change x by 5. And for the left arrow, change x by -5. And yep, it works perfectly. Okay, now let's make our player shoot. So this is going to be kind of simple for the cloning. So if our mouse is down, so if our mouse is clicked, then I will first wait 0.1 seconds. So first I'll create my clone of myself, or else they'll be thinking why it is my bullet shooting. And then put it to clone of laser. Okay, so now let's go to the laser sprite and then add a when green flag click block. Let's hide. Now let's go to a when I start as clone block. Now here, first we will want to make it to the point towards player. So point towards the mouse pointer because we don't want it to point to the player and shoot, right? Then after that, after it points towards the player, I will want it to show. After it shows, I will want it to go to the player. And then after that, I will want it to repeat until, so I want it to repeat until it is touching the edge. I will move 10 steps. Okay. Let's look at this in action. Okay. So we can see that our player is shooting. So that is nice. Let's just hide all of these editors. So you can see that our player is shooting right now. So that is nice. So now what do we have left with? Well, deleting the clone, right? So let's add delete this clone. So at the end, I will delete this clone. And yup, this code is working. So woohoo! So this is how we can make a player shoot in Scratch in the simplest way. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh Video Time is out. Woo!